Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Google search. In today's tutorial, if you need a result for Google search from a specific country, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to open up our Google search. Having opened up your Google search, come to the address right here. Now we can search for anything from a specific country. So let's say, for instance, we are searching for laptop. Then I hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will give you result based on your location or different types of region as the case may be. Now, if you want to specify your result for a specific location or specific country, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on your profile icon, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to languages. So under the language setting right here, you can simply scroll down where you have result region. Click on current region right here. Then you'll see all available regions that you can switch into. Let's say, for instance, I want to search for laptop from Costa Rica. So select Costa Rica, then click on confirm. It's that simple. Then we can simply come back here and create a new tab. Then now we can search for laptop again and hit enter. Then you have it right here. So every result you see right here are from Costa Rica based on your settings that you have right here. It's that simple. So you can switch from one country to another. You can narrate your search into any part of the world. This depends on whatever you set. So this depends on whatever setting you made in your Google search. It's that simple. So this is one of the tricks on how best you can search on Google. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.